Welcome back to ABS Trade International. Today, we're diving into the future of motorcycle servicing, the digital way. Stay tuned as we explore how digital tools and technologies are revolutionizing motorcycle servicing center management. In today's fast-paced world, efficiency and precision are key. Digital motorcycle servicing centers leverage cutting-edge technology to streamline operations, enhance service quality, and provide a superior customer experience. Let's take a closer look at how it's done. The heart of a digital servicing center lies in its advanced tools. From the Autool CT150 Injector Cleaner to the Jdaig M100 Pro OBD scanner, these tools ensure precise diagnostics and efficient repairs. They not only save time, but also enhance the accuracy of the servicing process. Efficient workflow management is crucial. Digital platforms help in tracking service requests, managing inventory, and scheduling tasks. Technicians can access all necessary information on their tablets, ensuring a smooth and organized workflow. A seamless customer experience is essential for any successful business. Digital servicing centers offer features like online booking, real-time service updates, and digital payment options. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also builds trust and loyalty. To fully utilize digital tools, proper training is a must. Regular training sessions ensure that technicians are well-versed in using the latest equipment and software. This continuous learning process keeps the team updated with the latest advancements. Don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from a satisfied customer log technician who has experienced the benefits of digital motorcycle servicing firsthand. Digital transformation is the future of motorcycle servicing. By adopting these advanced tools and practices, servicing centers can provide top-notch services, ensuring customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to ABS Trade International, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest in motorcycle servicing technology. Ride safe and stay tuned for more exciting content.